there, I'm Kathy with kathysglutenfree.com. Let's make some delicious, nutritious food for everyone to enjoy. This vegan avocado dip is a great snack with chunks of fresh vegetables and some seedy crackers. You can put some herbs of your choice into it, along with green onion, into your food processor, and we'll chop those up a little. Then we'll take our creamy cashew yogurt. There's a recipe for it on kathysglutenfree.com. It's really easy to make your own. And it's a wonderful dairy-free yogurt full of good probiotics. We'll grind in a little black pepper, sprinkle in some sea salt, add a spoon of lime juice, and then the main event, the avocado. We'll cut it open, pop out that pit, and scoop out the insides into your dip. Avocado is so good for us. It has those good heart-healthy fats, and it makes your dip nice and rich. Now let's just whirl that all together until it's smooth and creamy, and then it's ready to serve. Now, a fun little presentation idea is to hollow out half of a bell pepper, but you can just use your favorite little bowl if you'd rather. Yum!